Well, good afternoon, guys. Today we're going to be working on John's old truck again, the Ford F-150. Say hi, John.
No.
Anyways, we're going to be doing brakes on it all the way around, new pads, new rotors. We'll pull out all the stuff right now and show you guys. Well, we're doing some EBC rotors, stock replacements, and EBC yellow pads. Shouldn't take too long, it's just brakes after all, but it's going to be a good learning experience. Right, Johnny?
Yes.
Yes.
He definitely broke the bank.
Ha! Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, got each side off. As you can tell that we were having some issues with the parking brake. There was enough rust buildup in the drum part of the discs to prevent us from getting these off smoothly. As you can tell right around there, these things are they're pretty done for, so good thing we got new ones over there. But now we're just gonna get the rear end back together. Some new pads on it. Gonna have to make sure he, what is it? Brakes these in properly.
Yep. Then resets parking brake.
Yep.
Like,
yep. Got this fancy film on there, on the pads, on the discs, everything like that. So we're gonna get back to work.
and that's not really working. It's just spraying parts cleaner. I'm pretty an imbecile when it comes to this kind of stuff.
Get the...
That?
Yeah. Get the shoes, get everything.
Do you have new shoes coming too or no?
Nah. I didn't think they'd be that bad, to be honest. But
This is parking brake stuff. I don't think I've ever had to replace parking brake stuff.
unless you
Maybe once for someone that
like had them on.
yeah left the parking brake on.
Yeah.
Alright guys, got the new rotors installed, got the carriers on, pads are in, got everything greased up the pins. Johnny's pushing the calipers back in right now, and then I just need to readjust the parking brake, then we'll get started on the front. We're gonna do that. We're gonna record it.
Why? You don't need to see that.
Talk shit about Ford, Johnny.
What about it?
What were you saying about the engineers at Ford?
Nothing. I love Ford, but fuck 181 foot-pounds for a caliper bracket? Bro, they're on crack.
The half-ton truck.
Exactly, it's a half-ton truck, now the fucking...
More torque than your engine.
Hey, fuck off. It's more torque than Lee's engine for sure.
Don't you be hating just because you don't have a V8.
I don't care, I don't want a V8.
Clearly.
I like my turbos.
Yeah, you also like your, what was it? Intake solenoid?
My throttle body?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That part too, don't you?
Yeah, guess what? Yours will go out too. You have the same throttle body as me. That part's shared.
How's it coming, Johnny?
It's all down It's
Perfect.
It torqued down to that 100 and fucking what spec bull crap.
Anyways, rear end's all back together. We just need to adjust the parking brake now. Everything's torqued down to spec. Once I get done adjusting the parking brake,
in quotations.
spec. It's fine. He used a torque wrench to tighten those down.
I did torque things with the torque wrench.
Yeah. I'm gonna adjust the parking brake and then get on the front.
Are you actually taking a real video?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
What do we got going on here, Johnny?
We're just taking off the caliper, you know, just doing Ford things.
What size is it?
Oh, it's a fucking metric something 13, since I guess nothing's in standard anymore.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Yeah.
It's not the 70s anymore.
It's not the 70s, but you know what? Every manufacturer does it, so
Yeah.
can't say anything about it. And Ford, if you're watching, love to get sponsored. Please bring me good shit. Fuck, man. Full of rust.
Yeah, it's a rusty boy.
It is rusty. Hold on. I'm just gonna fucking get under there and just hit it with the L like that. Can you hold that brake caliper though?
Yeah.
Thanks.
There it goes.
There it is.
Yeah, rock.
Perfect. Alright guys, got the hubs all cleaned up. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this truck was an absolute rust bucket. But now we're going to rebuild the front caliper brackets. You need to take these clips off. Got to clean those up. We have a brush. Scrape off all the dirt and grime, everything that's on them. And then you got to re-grease the pins. You just pull these out. And then just wipe away the grease that's on there and replace the grease with caliper grease, which I have over there. And yeah, it's pretty simple, but we're gonna do this right quick and get this front end back together. Alright guys, as you can see right there, this is This is why I don't like topping off brake fluid, because once you do a brake job and have to
compress
the capper back, or the pistons back in place, then all the fluid's going to come back and overflow and pour all over the place. Luckily we caught this just in time. So now I'm going to find a way to take brake fluid out so we can compress the pistons all the way. But we're getting this front end along. It's going to be a lot faster than the rear end, so we're going to get back to work. Alright guys,
It's finally done. Thank
Johnny
God.
just finished everything up, pumped up the brakes, topped off the fluid, now that brakes are replaced. And we're going to go for a little drive, make sure the pads are broken in. I'm going to open up that gate right quick and just go around the block. He's going to be doing a lot more driving later tonight, but for now, we're just going to finish up the video. So we're going to go for a drive right quick and see how the brakes are.
All right. Just kind of like feather on it.
Yeah. Yeah. Also be firm with it.
Do you feel like you can stop better?
Yeah. Smell that?
Yep. That's all the shit burning off. Get up to like 20.
Okay.
You're gonna have to do more when you're driving home.
Yeah.
Just do it on the freeway for best results.
Absolutely.
Boost.
Eco Beast.
Hear that turbo? Those turbos? Just the camera right quick. How do you turn this thing on? Alright guys, as you can tell we're just breaking the pads in, but we're going to be done with this truck today, so remember to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more.
There will be more Fords in the future.